Today I'm going to teach you how to get the Miasma relic on Elden Ring Nightreign. So to get Miasma, all you need to do is defeat Fissure in the Fog. So you have to defeat that boss. Then at the end of the boss, you will receive that relic. So to showcase what this relic do, it's pretty good. It does nearby frostbite, concealed self, changes compatible ornament skill to chilling mist, and attack power up when facing frostbite afflicted enemy. So one way this relic works. So we're gonna switch to Duchess. So I have a Duchess build on that relic. So this is how it works. So you go and apply frostbite on the character here. Then once they added frostbite, as you can see, you turn invisible. The enemy cannot see you again, and you have boosted attack. So that's pretty good. So that's how you can get Miasma. And my tip for you to beating the boss is, just be patient. He's a bit big, so focus on, like hitting the legs. I suggest not using the auto lock feature because it's a bit harder to do. And, because the camera is gonna all glitch out when you try and, hit the dragon. And, prioritize in using fire relics or like fire weapons on the boss. So when I was using Wilder, I would use his ult, so it counts as fire, and his skill counts as fire. So you can apply fire damage on the boss. It's very weak to fire. And yeah, guys, so that's my video for today. If you guys like that video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.